Are you looking for the best camping tables? In this video we will look at some of the best camping tables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Lifetime 4-foot fold-in-half adjustable. When we compare prices to overall performance, nearly nothing compares to the Lifetime 4-foot fold-in-half adjustable. It's a great general-purpose design and is hands down one of the best deals on the market, earning it our top honors for the 6th year. It scored high marks throughout our testing and is one of the more practical and usable tables we used. It's stable, strong, portable, and easy to set up and take down. We love the workable surface area it offers, and with the steel legs adjusted to their highest setting, this is one of the tallest tables we've reviewed. This table has no X-braces, allowing plenty of room for knees and legs, making it more than just a prep table. The Lifetime may resemble something from an industrial supplies catalog, but what it lacks in a flash is that it easily makes up for basic function, extreme durability, and cost. The Lifetime has some serious perks but isn't perfect. It's heavy, and its bright white tabletop shows dirt, smudges, and spills. Although incredibly strong and durable, it still has much sway. The plastic-based, injection-molded tabletop is also less fire and heat-resistant than its all-metal competitors, but it's almost dent-proof and otherwise exceptionally durable. It doesn't look like a traditional camping table, but it's incredibly practical and affordable. At number 2. Portal Outdoor Lightweight Aluminum. It lacks a wow factor, but if you're looking for a basic, portable camping table, the Portal Outdoor Lightweight Aluminum is easy on the bank account and good enough to get the job done. This is your best option if you just need a basic table for light-duty work. The Portal is lightweight and sturdy enough for general use in most outdoor environments. It doesn't rely on a bungee system to hold its folding tabletop design in place, giving this table a leg up on its peers in terms of durability. The Portal certainly isn't big-boned, and most of its key moving parts are made from thin plastic, leaving a large question mark on its long-term durability. It's also a little short, and the X-shaped metal braces force most adults to sit sideways instead of placing their knees under the table. These drawbacks aside, we still think that this model proves its value by sufficing for many camping and backyard needs without costing too much. If you won't use your table a lot, this one works and saves cash. At number 3. Nemo Moonlander. Houston, there is no problem. The Nemo Moonlander is our favorite mini table because of its sleek design and incredible performance in all of our metrics. The manufacturer went to great extents to create a well-built table that is sturdy, strong, and very easy to use. Its dual height settings are nearly effortless to achieve. Its low elevation is perfect for ground-level activities like picnicking or a day at the beach. Opening the table automatically deploys hinged, fin-style legs, which hold it about 4 inches from the ground. On the underside of the Moonlander are 4 legs that can be detached and twist-locked into place if more height is needed. Its 19x 15-inch nylon tabletop is heat-resistant and is rated to support 100 pounds. Additionally, we love the stylish carrying case and the shape of the table, which gives a nod to early NASA spacecraft. From top to bottom, only the best materials were used to create the Moonlander. It was built to last, and it has the price tag to prove it. In addition to being a little pricey for its size, we also feel the Moonlander could be just a little taller. Additionally, we also struggled a little to find a broad-scale application for the table because it's too heavy for backpacking or other backcountry adventures and too small for anything more than simple activities. However, if you think you might need a very sturdy, cool-looking mini table, the Moonlander should be one of your serious considerations. At number 4. Camp Chef Sherpa Table. Tired of fumbling through plastic storage totes or makeshift containers for the spatula or pancake mix? The Camp Chef Sherpa table is designed to keep your camping kitchen organized in one place. One of the most unique cooking station tables we've ever reviewed, the Sherpa is an organizer's dream, complete with color-coded storage totes that can be individually labeled. Think of the Sherpa as a portable kitchen cupboard system. It's smaller than the largest cook stations we examined, but its denier fabric design is lightweight and sturdy. This table's standout feature is its colorful, separate storage totes. They fit perfectly into the table's interior and allow users to organize, pack, and carry nearly all of their cooking supplies in one enclosed system. We even had enough space to store our stove. One of the totes is an insulated cooler that doubles as a wash basin and can keep iced drinks cold for about 1 day. The Sherpa sets up super fast and has a very reasonable base weight. It's an ideal table for keeping everything you need in one place and for cooking up grub for a medium to small-sized camp. While the Camp Chef Sherpa has plenty of storage space, it doesn't boast a large workspace. After our cooking stove was in place, we had little to no space to prepare food or place cooking utensils. It's also a bit vertically challenged. It's shorter than the other cook stations we tested, and our testers felt it needed more than just one height setting. Yet, for its overall convenience and organization, this is our favorite cook station. At number 5. Helinox Table One. If you need a high-quality, lightweight pack table, the Helinox Table One is worth the high price. This table is super light, compact, and strong. Also suitable as an end table, the Helinox can accompany a camp chair for an outdoor meal or hold drinks during sunset at the beach. For short weekend forays into the backcountry, river trips, and lunch hikes to a scenic spot, this table is easy to stow or lash to the outside of your pack to bring some convenience to your experience. Again, this table will set you back some serious cash. The fabric top isn't suitable for cooking, either, which is one of the limiting factors in this table's versatility. Still, we recognize the Table One for its backcountry prowess, boasting the quality and strength needed to withstand the rigors of more extreme outdoor use, all in a tiny, lightweight package.